All right, just a quick update video. I'm going to be adding more boards back in here. I took the old ones off that were in the center that got completely destroyed. Yeah, they look like this, basically. The one that was in the center pretty much fell in half. Yeah, it's in the box there. Not digging that out just yet. Went and got new boards. These are already cut to 4 foot, so they should just stick right in there. So easy, just need to attach them. Okay, so I learned my lesson last time. I don't have to do all the fancy trying to do the clamps and everything. I should just be able to put a screw in at the bottom. All right, so got 3 boards here. So this one looks pretty good. All right, so we'll just put that one here. All right, get that all the way over to the side. We'll just put a screw right here. All right, so that should hold that one in place until we can actually get it secured. Let's check out the next board. I know my center board is the one that's going to get absolutely destroyed, so this looks like a good one for the center. Actually, now that I'm starting this, that one's poking out quite a bit. This is going to be every project I do. Okay. Center board. And one more. Yeah, this is not as flush as it was before, so I may have to redo the sideboards just to get everything flush to center. It's not turning out quite as easy as I was expecting, but that's pretty much every part of this project. Let's go ahead and secure this from the back. Grab my ladder, come around front again. Yeah, that's horrible. I'm not happy with this. After trying to get them perfect last time, this just feels horrible. The guy at the Lowe's was telling me, yeah, these are warped, and I'm like, I'm gonna be throwing axes at them, I don't care. But no, it makes a big difference. The last time I got boards, the guy helped me pick out some good ones, so I think I got lucky with those to where I didn't have issues with boards the first time. All right, and I'm back to square one. All right, so here's my plan. Gonna secure it at the top and bottom, flat on the right side, and then flat on the left side. And then I can secure it from the back. And of course the battery's gonna die on my, yeah, it's gonna be one of those days. Really, it's dead that fast. All right, well, this Black & Decker 9.6 volt cordless screwdriver sucks. Yeah, it's fine until I actually try to screw something. Really need to get that corded screwdriver working. Yeah, I don't know why I'm still recording. No way. All right, finally got my, oh yeah, got it working. All right. Okay, let's give it a shot. All right, this might work. All right, that's good. I can do the back side. So this one is secured from the back side. So that is one board up. Let's check how good this one looks. All right, so say it has a warp to it. Okay, let's go ahead and do it from this side. Okay, got that side. Let's try to get this side as flush as I can, which I don't seem to have very much give at all with that. Yeah, this is not going to be much of a build video. I'm just not in the mood to do it. Besides, the goal is not to make another build video. It's to just show that I added new boards, which I can do with a picture. This is all just extra if it went well, but I don't see it going well. All right, so I'll secure the back side. All right, now for the last board. This one's actually fairly decent. Yeah, that's what's going to get me is I'm not securing them. I'm not doing all the steps. I'm just kind of shortcutting the process to do this. Last time I was using clamps. Now I can secure that from the backside. It's not perfect, but yeah, I should probably move it over. It's got a pretty good gap in it. All right, so it should just be removing this, scooting it over, moving it back. Okay, now it should just be budge it over slightly. That's better. Yeah, seems good. I'm just gonna go ahead and secure it. All right, that should be it. Pull this last one back out. All right. It's not perfect, but doesn't have to be perfect. I'm throwing axes and knives at it. I learned my lesson. Woohoo! I can be taught. All right, this needs to be charged again. Just going in with the screws so I don't lose it. All right, it's good. It's good. Just need to do the target again. And my son was out here and dumped stuff all over the floor. Not sure what that's about. There's GameCube controllers and a whole bunch of stuff on the floor. So don't know what he was doing. But I got to clean that up before I start throwing knives and axes. Yeah, I don't know why I'm still recording. I don't think there's really any valuable footage in any of this. Who knows? I might decide to make something of it. It's better to have the footage than not. All right, mark my spot. Now I can put the jig in the right spot. All right, so we'll put the bit into the new corded screwdriver. Okay, so now that's in place. And we'll grab our marker and make new circles. All right, we have a target again. Okay, got the target repaired, got my markers on there. All right, got my circles drawn. We have a target. Now for practice. And I don't know that I want my camera that close to the board. Yeah, I've had too many crazy accidents. And my son left a mess I got to clean up before I can do anything anyway.